We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting names in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Erica. Fun fact, I had a colleague of mine a few years ago whose name was Erica, and she was indeed American. I've always found it surprising that she would introduce herself saying America, America. And yes, indeed, if you say I'm Erica, you're actually saying America. Anyhow, this is how to say this name, Erica. Erica, just like in America. Indeed. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.